Abu Jamra states that he would act as an interpreter between Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and other people. Once a woman came and asked Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu the precept of nabidh prepared in a pitcher. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, a delegation of Abdul Qais entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, who are these people? They said, Rabia. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, welcome to these people or the delegation. These people will not feel any disgrace and chagrin here. They submitted, we have come to you from our remote areas and the infidels of the Mudar tribe intervene between us and you. So we cannot visit you in any month except for the sacred months. You may therefore give us some ultimate instructions which we must preach to our tribesmen so as to enter paradise. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam bade us 4 things and forbade us from 4 things. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam enjoined them to believe in oneness of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, saying, do you know what believing in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu alone means? They submitted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, to testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and that Hazrat Muhammad is the apostle of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Establish the prayers, pay the poor due, observe the Ramazan fasting, pay the royal fifth from the booty, and enjoin them from the dry gold vessels, green glazed pitchers, and pitchers glazed with pitch. Shoba also mentioned the wooden vessel. The Prophet ﷺ said, memorize these instructions and convey them to your tribesmen. Abu Bakr bin Shayba did not mention the wooden vessel in his report. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 116.